In the energy quadrant, we're looking at a straight up day in the May natural gas futures. Natural gas was never negative on the day, completing its second up session in the last three, but it did give up a lot of its gains as it continues to thread along those 3.5-year lows it's been testing since the middle of February. The high today, 1.780, was up almost 4%. The low, 1.713, was a gap higher from yesterday's settlement of 0.06%. Natural gas is up 2 of the last 3 sessions, but really hasn't gone anywhere and is still down almost 49% since the 2024 highs that occurred on January 9th. In terms of domestic demand, we're going to be overall moderate to high demand for the next 7 days. That's what's expected. Some chilly weather will cover the northern, central, and eastern U.S. into next week with rain and some snow, and lows from 20 degrees to 30 degrees, also highs from only 40 degrees to 60 degrees. This will bump up national demand from where it was last week. There's also going to be a brief cooling down period in Texas for bringing it to the 50 to 70 degree range. And then another cold shot later in the week will impact the Northeast, with the interior U.S. warming up at that point. We also got the EIA storage report this week, and it printed a build of 50 billion cubic feet in line with expectations and slightly under the 5-year average of 61 billion cubic feet, which decreased surpluses to 622 billion cubic feet. This build, however, increased supplies from 2.283 billion cubic feet to 2.333 billion cubic feet. So overall, we saw a little bit of a move higher, but we lost the highs later in the day in natural gas.